Hi, today we are going to see how to speed up your Windows 10. So, you can speed up your Windows by many ways. So, first step is right click on Start button, then click on Run. Here, type treat, then click on OK. Your computer will be speed up. Click on Start, then click on Run, then click on Prefetch. Select all and delete. The junk file will slow your computer. If you remove the junk file, then your computer will be speed up. Click on Run, then click on Temp. Click on Delete. Also, you can speed up by going to your PC, then right click on Local Disk, then click on Properties and Disk Cleanup. Then the junk file will be deleted. Also, you can select the tools, then click on Optimize. After that, you can defrag your drives, then your computer will be speed up. And lastly, you can do to restart your computer. After restarting, then your computer will be speed up. So that's how to speed up Windows 10. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.